have freedom. Football games, it's proud of where you're from. It's your last name, it's 13 stripes and 50 stars in the wind. So hold up your beer and holler if you hear it, that American spirit. Hey everyone, Blades Plays Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you how to play this awesome song that was requested. This is by Rhett. It's called American Spirit. I thought it would be fitting if I kind of wore my American flag blanket. Maybe that's stupid. But anyway, I like it, America. So, the song's super easy to play. The strumming pattern's pretty consistent throughout. It's in standard tuning, you don't need a capo or any of that, so it's awesome. Real quick, if you guys have other requests you'd like me to the songs you'd like to learn, more than happy to try and oblige. I know like I'm a little bit behind on the requests right now, so just know that you'll kind of be getting in line, and I'll get to them when I can. So, but thanks so much for requesting this song. I really do appreciate it, and thanks for all your requests, your comments, for subscribing, for hitting like, and all that jazz, okay? So, also, if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd ask you to please hit like and subscribe, and the notification bell so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials, okay? As long as you enjoy the video. All right, so let's get into this song. Pretty cool. I'm really grateful when you guys do requests because I don't know, like, I hadn't heard the song before, so a lot of times you guys introduce me to songs I hadn't heard. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to start with D, then you're going to go to A. You can play it this way too if you want, either way, but A. Okay, then G, either G is fine, so either one, and then you're going to do A again, and then D again. Okay, so this is how you're going to start the song. It's going to be D, A, G, A, D. So it's down, down, up, 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 down. Okay, so you're going to do that D, A, G, A, D, so it's dagad, okay? I don't know if that helps. It helps me remember sometimes if I can remember, like, it's like almost a word. Okay, so you're going to do D, A, G, A, D. You're going to play that twice, okay? So the intro of the song will go, and you're going to want, on this part, in the intro, especially, you're going to want to pluck them more of the bass notes, okay? So E, A, and D. You can pluck them all. So you know, so I even hit the bottom ones a little bit, but I'm trying to mainly get the higher ones, or the lower notes. D, A, G, A, D. So it's just down, down, up, down. Real quick, one more time on that strumming pattern. Down, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, down. So it's just down, down, up, 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 down. Okay? You'll just keep playing that. So that's actually how most of the verses go too, but not quite how the verses all go. So the verses are gonna start with the same strumming pattern, and you're just gonna keep doing that. You're gonna do that dagad twice, and then you're gonna do G, D, okay? So you're gonna do riding down, so after you play that, this part twice, G, A, D. We'll say that's the second time, okay? Then you're gonna play it a couple times. Okay, and just whenever you're ready, riding down a red, let's see, riding down red dirt, driving, okay, driving is A, driving in a white truck, looking is G, looking at a pretty is A, pretty blue sky, okay, sky is D, sky, tired-eyed kids playing, okay, so D is tired, playing in a sprinkler, okay, I don't know if you guys did that, I totally did that growing up in the small town I grew up in, playing in a sprinkler, daddy, okay, daddy is G, daddy drinking cold, so cold is A, cold Bud Light, okay, light is D, my dad did not drink Bud Light, he didn't drink, so Bud Light, okay, then you're gonna talk about a big life, okay, big is G, big life in a small town, ain't got a lot, same strumming pattern. We sure found what we were looking for. Okay, looking is D. Looking for. Same strumming pattern. Okay, then you're gonna go A, G, D. Okay, so that part, you go from the first part of the first verse to like the second part of the first verse. You're just gonna go A, D, G, D. Sorry, A, G, D is what you're gonna do there. Okay, almost like aged, but not quite because there's no E in there. Then you go to the next verse, and it's the exact same thing. So it's the same D, A, G, A, D. Okay, so it's the Dagad twice, and then G, D. Okay. Then you do the part where he does a little kind of solo thing. You're just going to do D, A, G, A, D. Okay, that same part. And then you're going to go into the chorus. Now the chorus has the same strumming pattern, but it has a different chord progression. Okay, so this part you're going to do bag. Okay, so you're going to do B minor, and you're going to do A, then G. All right, then you're going to do A, and then D. All right, so you're going to go, oh. So, okay, B, A, and G, and then, so it's baga. So baga is on, each one of those chords is on an O. So, oh is B minor, oh. Okay, the second O is A. Oh. The third O is on G. Oh. Okay, the fourth O is on A. So you go back to A. And then you go the end O on D. Oh, it's in the song, baby, can't you feel it? And you start over and do the same thing. O, B minor, O, A, O, G, A, O, D is on that last O. Oh, and if you came, baby, listen to the lyrics. It's, okay, so it's lyrics, it's, okay, so you do D for that whole part. It's, oh, and if you came, baby, listen to the lyrics. It's Friday, okay, it's Friday. Is where you can do B minor. It's Friday night freedom football game. It's proud of where you're from. Okay, it's proud is A. Proud of where you're from. It's your last name. It's 13. Okay, 13 is G. 13 stripes, 50 stars in the wind. Wind is A. Wind. So hold up your beer. Beer is E. Hold up your beer and holler if you hear it. And you do G before you start saying that American spirit. That American spirit. So after that, so the chorus goes baga D, okay, B A G A D twice. Then you go B minor, A, G, A. Then you're gonna go. So then you do baga D twice. Then you do B A G A. Sorry, B minor, A G A, E G. Okay, so. I'll walk you through that once real quick by playing it, and then I'll show you what you play after. Oh, it's in the song, baby, can't you feel it? Oh, and if you came, baby, listen to the lyrics. It's Friday night freedom football game. It's proud of where you're from. It's your last name. It's 13 stripes, 50 stars in the wind. So hold up your beer and holler if you hear it. That American spirit. Okay, then you go D, then you just do Dagad, the intro part, twice. So you go. Old red 6-string, white piece of paper, scribbled. Okay, so then you do the same thing. You just go into the next, the next verse. It's just that same Dagad. Twice, GD, then you go to the next chorus. That's exactly the same. Then you're just gonna, when you go from that chorus, you're just gonna do D, A, G, D, D, D. Okay, just like that. Oh, then you're gonna go back into the chorus. So there's not like a bridge really. There kind of is just like, you're just like strumming the guitar. You could honestly just play the intro part again like you did. And that would be totally fine. Like people wouldn't really notice. Okay, and you're just gonna do that chorus again. And then for the outro, you're just gonna do, you're just gonna go like you did at the beginning, but you're gonna go slower and softer. Riding down a red dirt, driving on a white truck, looking at a pretty blue sky. Okay, and you'll just do that. End on D, on a single strum on D. Okay. Let me know if you guys have any questions. If you have other songs you'd like to learn or anything, and please hit subscribe. America, baby. American spirit. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.